Hi everyone, my name is Hanis Ariesya Binti Mohd Syaiful and I am from CSC415 and my ID number is 2020828668.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Khairunnisa Binti Mohd Khairi with the student ID 2020473856 from the class CSC415B2.
Okay, this video is included with introduction, problem statement, objective, important component of our whole system, which later I will show you guys our flowchart which we made based on our coding, and then the last one is we will show you how we demonstrate our coding, the way how it turned out. Hi everyone, based on this introduction, I am going to tell you guys what thing that I have used to solve this problem. The first one used two function, which is one is for to find the cost of delivery, and the second one is to find the total price of the item. The first one is definition is this: float called total price, int quantity, string category code, and char product code. We declare it as a float total price. That function we declare total p as a float and initialize it to 0 based on the code that was input by the customer that we already tell them to input which one that they want. Example is BS123, and then another one is NP456. Under BS123 we have two codes, which is B and F. Then the customer need to choose whether they want the B or F. If they choose B, the price for one item is 188.50, which later to find the total price is quantity multiplied by the 188.50. Then we can find the total price for each item, for the item that customer input. And if the customer input the invalid or wrong code, this program will display wrong category code or wrong product code. And okay, the next function is function with one parameter with return statement. This function were used to find the cost of delivery of this program. This is the function definition of this function. Then later we declare cost D as float and initialize it as 0. In order to find the distance, we use if-else statement. If the distance is from 0 to 20, the price for each kilometer was 1 ringgit. Then, in order to find the cost of delivery, we need to multiply the distance with the 1 ringgit.
We will go to the input first, and we decided to take 7 inputs. The first one is user click enter to display menu. Second, user enter their names. And the third one, user will enter the distance in kilometers from the shop until the place that they want to deliver the gift. The fourth one, user enter how total type of item that they want to buy. The fifth one, user enter the quantity of product that they want to buy. Sixth, user enter the category code based on the menu display. And the last one, user will enter the product code based on the menu display. And now, we will go to the process in this program. We have 6 processes that will display 6 outputs. The first process is define price of item into product code and category code. Second, define distance into cost delivery. The third one, calculate the price of item. The fourth, calculate the cost of delivery based on distance. And the fifth one, calculate total price of item. And the last one is calculate total sum need to pay by the customer. And the 6th output that we display is the customer name, item that customer buy, the quantity of product that customer buy, category code, the price of item, and the total sum need to pay by the customer.
Problem statement. The first one is how to create receipt for customer and seller. The second one is how to calculate the total price of item based on quantity, product code, and category code that will be inserted by the customer. And the next one is how to calculate the cost of delivery based on distance that will be inserted by customer. And then next, how to display for receipt with customer details. Objective: to use function to calculate cost of delivery and total price of item. to use if-else statement to determine product description based on user input product code, and the next one is to use loop for repeating the whole process if the customer want to buy more than one item at the same time. Okay, here I inserted our flowchart. This is the flowchart for main, and this is the flowchart for function to find total price, and this is the function we use to find the cost of delivery.
Now, we will show you the demo of our working system. First, welcome to the Harmony gift shop. Press enter to see the menu. Press the enter. Menu on board here is actually we give for the convenience for the customer to order. So, please insert your name. Insert our name. Please insert your distance in kilometers. So, we will insert the distance. How many types of item that you want to buy? Is the item here is actually we have 4 for the product code. So we can choose either we want to buy 1, 2, 3 or 4. For here, I will just buy 1 item. For the quantity that you want, how much you want to buy from the item, I will buy 2. The category code, we can choose either BS123 or NP456. I will choose BS123. The product code for BS123 have 2. We can choose either F or B because we just want to buy 1 item. So here I will choose the B item. After we insert all of this thing here, they will show the receipt from all of this. Welcome to the Harmony gift shop with the customer name, which is then entered before, Nisa Ariesya. You have purchased birthday cake mania. This is actually the product code description. And then category bestseller is actually the category code description. The quantity that you entered before, which is 2. The price of item is the total amount of item after we times by the quantity. So the total here is 377. Cost of delivery after we enter the distance in kilometers. So this is the price for the delivery. And then you need to pay is actually the total amount that customer need to pay after we sum up everything here. So the total is 457 ringgit. The last one that we show on the receipt is thank you for buying with us, Mr. or Mrs. with the customer name that I entered, Nisa Ariesya.
After we have done the comparison between our enemy group, we found out that we actually have 9 insimilarities. Other than that, we have different variable names. And then our group, which is my group, lethal group, we didn't use array in this program, but my enemy group, they use array in their program. Then also we can, as you can see, the input that I paste here, both of them are different. Also you can see that our group, we included the cost delivery so that the customer can know the cost of the delivery the next time they want to buy. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.